won't be able to tell. You more distracted by my contour and how unblended it is.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen and everybody in between. I'm back with somebody else's hair, and guess what? It is wine and wigs day. Clink, 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 clink. Y'all already know what I'm drinking. Tea. It's wine and wigs day and I'm drinking tea, but I'm gonna give y'all the tea, so don't even worry about it. Girl, how y'all doing today? Hopefully you're doing well. I'm doing great, obviously, because I got a glueless wig on. Look at that. But I need to ask y'all before I start running my mouth too much. First, how you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. Also, could you hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell just so you can see it every single time I post? Because I'm coming to you every single week with brand new scalps, girl. I'm scalping the girls. Oh, also let me know what you're drinking down below. I'm drinking apple tea with apple juice. That's been like my new thing. I'm in love with it. So I've been hearing people are drinking kava. Just a side note, kava. Y'all tell me what you think about kava. Is that good? It's a type of tea. Is it good? Let me know. Let's go ahead and get into the reason why we're all gathered here today, which is for this hair. Girl, look. Girl, look. I did not have to do that. Girl, I done tugged at my edges doing that. Wait. Girl, I just pulled a trick on y'all. Call me Wigzini. This is a glueless, no baby hair wig. Glueless, no baby hair. Toss it on, go pick up your kids, go to the grocery store, girl, run your errands sort of wig. And I want to say thank you to OQHAIR for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get into the details and the specs. So this wig on my head is a, girl, get ready for the long title, 𝐿𝐿𝐲𝐿 Kinky Curly Wear and Go Bleach Knots Pre-cut Lace 9x6 HD Lace Glueless Human Hair Wig. This wig is 18 inches long and it is 180% density. Now when you pop the hood on this wig, you can see that this wig comes with 3 removable combs, no adjustable straps in the back for comfortability, and it also comes with a piano key elastic band. Now if you're asking what an 𝐿𝐿𝐲𝐿 wig is, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, friend. The 𝐿𝐿𝐲𝐿 wig is basically a pre-everything wig. So it comes with a pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, and pre-cut lace. And 𝐿𝐿𝐲𝐿 wig design is extremely specific. First of all, you get a 9x6 lace closure. So girl, all that parting space, girl, you could part anywhere. Girl, you could part up in here, you could part up in here. Girl, look at the side profile. Come on, boom. Right here, this is my natural hairline. This is the lace hairline. It comes with a fitted forehead design. It fits exactly to your forehead. Ain't no lace lifting up. It's just laying comfortably right down your forehead. It also comes with a C-shaped ear design, so it fits around your ears seamlessly, so you don't have to worry about your ear being uncomfortable. And it also comes with a removable piano key elastic band, but also removable combs. I'm not a comb girly. I don't like the combs. I'm losing enough hair as it is, girl. But for the comb girls, you can keep your combs in. I like to slide mine out for comfortability, so nothing's gonna be tugging away at the edges that I got, girl. I'm holding on to them for dear life. Now, when I first received this wig and I pulled her out of the box, obviously she looked absolutely gorgeous. First thing that I noticed was that the hairline was beautifully pre-plucked. Obviously it's pre-parted for you, so basically most of the work is there. If you know me, you gotta know that when I pull a wig out of the box, that doesn't mean that she's ready for me yet. I gotta do a little bit of something to make her fit me. I do a little bit of customization, and with this one, I ain't gonna lie, spoiler alert, I ain't have to do too much. If you want to see how I styled this wig and how this wig looked when I pulled her out of the box, also if you want to see different styles, please keep on watching, and I'll be back at the very end with my final thoughts and a coupon code. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get started with the base. Before we put on the wig, did I spit? I'm gonna go ahead and start out with the easy base. This is supposed to be an easy wig. Y'all already know what it is. Just the old same old musty old wig grip and a wig cap. I really need to buy a new one because this one don't even fit no more. It's all stretched out. Pop this on. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the wig cap over top, and we have ourselves a ball cap base. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the wig. I'm gonna take the combs out because you can. They can go because my edges don't need that. Okay, let's see. Let's see if the lace is actually clear. Let's see if this lace, wow, y'all see how clear that is? Wow. Okay, we just need a little bit of tinting to get it the right color. So we're gonna go ahead and tint the lace and then work on the hairline. If you don't know, you need to know that one of my 2 favorite lace tints is OQHAIR lace tint and this one. This is the more crazy 3-in-1 lace tint. OQHAIR is a little bit more orange. This one's a little bit more like a neutral color, and it's in the color medium brown. It says it's transfer resistant and water and sweat resistant. No, but love using this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop off my wig, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the lace tint. You won't be able to see this lace afterwards. I promise you, girl. You want to bet how much money you want to bet? I bet you $10 you're not gonna be able to see this lace, period. So I usually like to apply the lace tint mousse onto the lace, and then I'll use like a brush to spread it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush to spread the color on out. 2, 3, 4. And I like to focus the color on the front of the lace. Just spread it onto the back. But this stuff smells like a popsicle. It smells like an ice cream truck popsicle. That's what it reminds me of. Once it's spread all over, I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry it. Oh, I'm drooling. I have my retainers in, so it's like hard to speak. I don't even know why. I'm gonna blow dry it on high and warm to set the color in. And when we come back, girl, and I pop this wig on, please, you don't think I grew a new scalp. I bet you, girl, get your money out. Let's go right into the skin. Right into the skin. Let me tell you something, friend. One thing I know is a good lace tint. Oh my God. Like, wait. We need to go ahead and flatten this hairline because the hairline's a little bit cattywampus. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this wig back and take a wax stick. I'm gonna take my 𝐊𝐲𝐲 wax stick. Before I do that, girl, did you hear my money yet? Because if you was betting against me, girl, you owe me some change. So I'm gonna use the 𝐊𝐲𝐲 wax stick to flatten the hairline along with my Red by Kiss hot comb. She already turned all the way up. Oh no, she hasn't been. Staying on up. The only thing I don't like about this wax stick is that it's a push pop. And I like my push pops as ice cream. I do not like them on my wax stick. But I'm just gonna apply wax stick to the hairline. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Red by Kiss hot comb and I'm gonna go in and flatten the hairline backward. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Red by Kiss hot comb and I'm just going to go in and flatten the hairline. Flatten it backwards. I'm gonna show y'all the difference too. Ooh, I gotta be careful. Ooh. Okay, let me see. What side y'all like better? The other side kind of look better. Every time I do this, girl, I read myself. So let me do this side first before girl, I'm getting ahead of the game. And then I'll be back. The hairline is already down and look at it. Look at it. Now my wig cap is really hating right now. Let's go ahead and cut this hair because I want the hair to be thick and full and kind of blunt. Not sure, but I know these ends gotta go. Right, I'm just gonna cut a little bit off the bottom because the ends are dry. Y'all know how I feel about dry ends on a curly wig. It's not gonna work for me, friend. And we're just gonna trim it a little bit. I'm not trying to cut, I'm just trying to trim. I'm gonna hold it like this and just cut it. This is like less than an inch, I think. I didn't even cut that off. Really, I didn't even cut nothing off. And I need to go ahead and cut the top because this part is where I'm feeling dryness and like popping towards the end. Like, you hear that? Can you hear it? This is like the easy way to trim. Who said I need to glue this wig down? Nobody. And this hair has a lot of parting space, like a lot of good parting space. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip these sides back just so they're out of the way. Okay, so I'm gonna brush through this hair so I can really get a good eye on these ends. I'm gonna go ahead and take my shears once again, pull the hair off to the side, and I'm just gonna cut. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section that part away and then cut again. Probably the same amount. The ends feel good now. Can y'all see me? Am I out of frame? No, I'm not. I'm gonna cut it like that. Last partation. I think I'm gonna do like an angled situation. Just gonna cut, not too much, like maybe an inch. There you go, it's cut. See if it looks like choppy or whatnot. No, it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and take all this hair and separate it away. And then we'll do the sides. I'm gonna do one side and then the other side, girl, I'll speed up because my attention span is so short. Girl, I'm already done. In my head, I'm done with cutting. I'm over it. Start on this side, and to cut the sides I do kind of like a similar method. I take this section, I take the section behind the ear, comb it through, take my fingers, and I'm just gonna cut like this. This is the new way I'm cutting. I feel like I'm doing something like at an angle. And I feel like I get a better cut when I do it like that. I think. Girl. I don't know. Part it one more time and then cut it again. I'm just gonna cut it at an angle. Ooh, it's looking good. All right, and then I take one more section and do it in the front as well. Cool. And once that's done, I take this one section like right here. Yeah, I'll just take this section and cut into it. I remember a long time ago, Peak Mill, I watched her cut curly hair and I was like, how do I get layers like that? She was like one of the best at it. Shout out to Peak Mill. Looks great. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this side the same way, cut it in 3 sections and just even it out towards the back. And then we get to add a little bit of mousse, get these curls going. So let's keep going, friend. Not me acting like a stylist. Look at that hairline though, wow. OQ hair girl, you better stop it. Okay, so y'all, the hair looks fly like this. A beautiful rounded off fro. Please, I'm done. Gorgeous, but we need to go ahead and add some mousse to it. I want to use the Do Mousse Def Texture Foam. I love using this on like curly wigs or tight coily wigs or kinky curly wigs. Love using this stuff. I'm almost out. Girl, I got bottles upon bottles. When I tell you, I got one more in there. Stocked up. I love that stuff. Now I am gonna mix it with a little bit of the coconut and hibiscus frizz-free curl mousse because the Do Mousse Def Texture Foam is very, very thick. I think it's best applied on wet hair, but since we're moving from dry hair, I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this mixture, but I'm also gonna add just this leftover watery Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Frizz-free curl mousse because the formula. And then I'm gonna start by parting this hair down the middle and I'm gonna section it away and I'm gonna work in small sections. I'm gonna put this away and then let's start on this side. Section this part away and I'm gonna work on the bottom section. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the Mousse Def Texture Foam, mix with a little Shea Moisture, mix with a little water, and I'm just gonna, oh, this probably needs a little bit more water because it's so thick. It's like a cream almost. Like this foam is so creamy. It's just so nice. It's a creamy foam. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Evolve 572 brush to detangle and clump together these curls. So when I detangle and clump together my curls, I keep them clumped together until the hair is completely dry and it's time to separate the curls at the very end. So look at that. Look how pretty these curls are. And look at the ends. Oh, that's what I love to see. So we're gonna keep working through the hair. I'll be back once the hair is completely dry and we get to separate and detangle the curls.
Jesus in my life, I got sin.
Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and start with the styling of this wig. Baby, the way I was so aggressive with turning that wig to the side to get that side part, look, though, I mean, the aggressiveness makes sense because look how cute this looks. Now, you can see a little bit of lace at the side. I would normally pull some hair out, but I feel like the side part is super duper cute and it looks cute with a little bit of a bang. Now, the next style that I would like to try, basically it's the only style we'll be able to try because this is a glueless closure wig, and baby, I do not want to risk this wig falling off my head. So I'm gonna do like a half up, half down, quarter up, 3/4 down, I don't know what you would call it, but this is, I feel like this is my favorite style outside of the hair being down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this hair up in a hair tie, and look how cute those little curls look at the top, and that hairline did not cease to impress. Is that the word? I think that's the word. Look how cute that hairline is. It looks so realistic. It's so seamless. I feel like if I added a little bit more powder, it'd be much. Even look how it looks when I pull those little tendrils back. They look amazing. The hairline is just so seamless. The only thing you have to worry about is the wig falling off your head. So make sure you secure it, friend, before doing that style. But y'all let me know which one's your favorite style. Okay, y'all, this is a finished look. Look at this hair. Girl, I went with no baby hairs. Girl, I was fighting. Okay, because y'all know how I am about baby hairs. I like to add a little swoop-de-doo, but this hairline looks so good. Do you really need baby hairs when it's doing that? I don't think so. So y'all tell me which one was your favorite style. Like, was it the updo? Was it the side part? Are you a side part or a middle part girly? I think middle part is my vibe. It's just what it is. You know what I'm saying? It's what it is. Let's go ahead and get into this hair and the final thoughts. Now, the hairline is hairlining. The curls are curling. Like, look at these curls. Lace. Where's the lace, girl? Can you see them? Like, for real. This is the lace right here. Girl, you won't be able to tell. You more distracted by my contour and how unblended it is. I mean, I really don't got, girl, I ain't got nothing to say. Pros and cons, I don't know about any cons on this wig. The wig fits nicely on me. I mean, maybe I'll say the ends are a little dry. The ends down here were actually very nice and bouncy. It was just a little bit more on like the closure side. They needed to be trimmed a little bit. Actually, you know what? The knots are still, they're really, really small. They're not exactly bleached, but I do think like possibly they could have bleached the knots a little bit more. Okay, I got some. Okay, girl, I had to find some. I didn't even notice the knots at all, but if I look really closely, I feel like they need like a little bit of bleach. Just a little bit. But the knots are so small, you cannot see them. And if you do see them, girl, call the police. Because you're not supposed to be that close. Like I said, give me 50 feet. Okay, nobody told you to be that close. So, oh, not my arm. I absolutely love the hair. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's super duper versatile, has huge party space, and you don't have to worry about an ear tab because there's a beef between me and ear tabs. Ear tabs really be giving me the blues, and I be over it, and I had to deal with ear tabs today at all. Give me a wig I can throw on and punch it, please. Please, I do not want to be fiddling and dealing with somebody's lace. OQHAIR did their big one. Y'all tell me what you think about this wig down below. Of course, again, tell me your favorite style of this wig down. I keep looking at the hairline like, wow. Tell me your favorite style of this wig down below. And also, are you a side part or a middle part girly? I feel like I'm a bust down middle part. I want to say thank you again to OQHAIR for providing this wig to me and sponsoring this video. I will leave a link for this wig down below. I also will leave a coupon code down below so you can go ahead and get some money off because it's summertime, girl. We saving our money for vacations, beaches, okay, plane flights. Okay, so get some money off. Anyways, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.